You see this little fella right here? He is a cold-blooded criminal. In this video, I will be listing his top 10 most despicable acts. Number 1. Breaking and entering. In this video footage, you can see the British Bo Tuck Noise breaking into Grape Manor, owned by Mr. Grape. The video footage speaks for itself. I think little bucko is guilty. Number 2. Mass murder. Here is some more video footage of our little man committing some devious acts, where the combo meter on the right represents the number of deaths. By the end, the numbers add up to a total of 89. The amount of murders off camera is unknown, but I'm quite sure it's in the hundreds. Number 3. Child abduction. You can see in the provided footage that there is a child, presumably aged 2 years old. You can also see Bo here, attempting to take the child as his own before unexpectedly crushing the little guy. How sad. Bo certainly won't be getting away with this one. Number 4. Public indecency. Here we can see some crystal clear footage of Bo in a town while prancing around with no clothing. While this is certainly not his worst action, it is not the greatest either. Number 5. Operating a helicopter without a license. Bo is seemingly in the same town here, flying a helicopter. After being confronted and asked if he had a license, he said that he didn't. Number 6. Armed robbery. Yes, it's true. He is a despicable villain. You can see here, he is pointing a microphone, one of the most deadly weapons ever, at people. What he was trying to take is currently unknown, but it must have been something huge for him to snap like this. Number 7. Harassing innocent co-workers. While Bo was working his job at Nickelodeon Studios, he was fired during the production of his show, Bo's Tucktastic Adventure. The reason was for repeatedly harassing his fellow co-workers, and as you can see in the provided screenshot, Nickelodeon was not happy with him. The show will continue without Bo, much like John Kay and his show Ren and Stimpy. Number 8. Stealing the entire Tuck cracker supply. While there is no video or photographic evidence of this crime, it has still been proven. You see, in 2023, Bo decided it would be a funny prank to steal all of the Tuck in the world. Unsurprisingly, his plan fell through and he was caught in the act. Number 9. Just being a menace overall. This video is evidence of my claim. Just going over all of these bad deeds, you may lose respect for the little man. Number 10. Tampering with a crime scene. I am back with some video footage, where we can see Bo messing around in front of a single jail cell and ultimately destroying crucial evidence that would suggest the world-famous Pizzelle was trying to break out of the jail cell. In conclusion, and without a moment to spare, I have been There's a Pizza in Your Tower, and I will see you next Wednesday.